I don't think so. I should wait until the timer ends. So very near to 4 a.m. closing, there is the risk disclaimer. If you can hear me, let me know that. Okay. Yeah. The There is the chart, 15-minute chart. Okay. I have this item. Sorry, buy sell liquidity. That's my target for today. If you ask me, I'm bearish right now. I'm bearish at the London session. I'd love to see some kind of lower run. So to that fair value gap, it will retrace little lower in that fair value gap. That's my thinking. Okay, for here. So it will come here, then it will go higher. That's kind of thinking right now. But if it can go higher, I will go for buy. This is also relatively equal highs. Market buy side. Any type of decision I will take, I will take it. I don't know what to say. A lot of buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity market is just making right now. Best scenario is market will go lower. That would be the best scenario. But if it went higher, I'm bullish as well actually. But yeah, I would love to see some kind of lower run at first. If that happens, it's awesome. It's awesome then. There's the shallow run here. Oh man. So, yeah, there's the shallow run. Below this shallow run, this relatively equal lows from 15-minute chart. Guys, can you hear me? Let's see if we can get some kind of lower run or faster, higher run first. Hey guys, stop bugging this sweet Bangladeshi dude. No sister. What did you say? The sound is clear, brother. Thank you, AFX. Hey, Martin. Good morning. Cannot hear. Oh, okay. That was a fun one. Giveaway coming soon for 5,000 subscribers. Yeah, I forgot that. I told that yesterday that Peter is going to give some cute T-shirt to the viewers when it will be 5,000 subscribers. Let's see what it is going to do. Okay, it has taken that bicep liquidity. No worries. I have this sell side liquidity now. If it can reach here, then if it started to fall, I'll be happy to take a sell. Okay. Overall, I'm bullish. Okay. Overall, I'm bullish. This buy side liquidity will be triggered. Then finally, this buy side liquidity. These two buy side liquidity is my target for today. So yeah, I'm bullish, but at the London session, I would love to see some kind of lower run. That's my expectation right now. I want to see market will go lower. It will take some liquidity. I mean, it will just fall. That's all my expectation. Mobile is like 9:30 opening. Yeah, like 4 a.m., 9:30 a.m., then 1:30 p.m. All of this area. Okay, again 4 a.m., 9:30 a.m., 1:30 p.m. All of this work like the same way. They work like the same way. You will obviously get volatility around 9:30, obviously every single day. For almost every day, 1:30, sometimes you will get it, sometimes you won't get it. Simple. Let's see if it gives me any lower market structure shift right now or not. If it gives it to me, okay, I would love to change the trade of it. Actually, I would love to stay with my paper money. So I need to change the I forgot to change the trade rules. Okay, I need to stay with my paper money. Just a second. Yeah, done. Okay. Now I am in paper money. Okay, so you can see paper trading. Looking for buy or sell on higher time frame. In higher time frame, I'm looking for buy. In lower time frame, I mean in London session, I'm looking for sell actually. I'm trying to take a sell. That's all. You see this sell side liquidity and that sell side that low. I would love to see market will at least it will take that sell side liquidity. That's all my expectation right now. So I'm looking for some kind of sell opportunity. If I get a market structure shift now to the lower portion, I'll go and take that opportunity. It's not a perfect market structure shift, but I will I'll see this as a market structure. Okay, it's not perfect, but yeah, I will try to catch the sell if it can go below that low like this way with speed. Then I will try to catch a sell. Look, yes. What's that? Okay, here's my yes. Yeah, I can see it. It is coming here to that entry fair value. Yes is coming here to that entry fair value before going higher. I'm just seeing like that way. Yes, so yes is also falling until this fair value. Yeah. Okay, I got the market structure shift here. All I need a fair value gap. If it doesn't give me the chance, I'll just let it go. Okay, see this fair value gap? It has to reach. Okay, no, I don't think so. It's going to give me any chance. Just falling. Okay, if it fall like that way, man, I just missed it. So yeah, it's okay. At least I was right. If it can take that sell side liquidity, at least I was right that market was not going higher. Market was going lower actually. When it will take this sell side liquidity and that sell side liquidity, it will trade that fair value gap in a deeper way. Then I'll look for buy. Where is my buy sell liquidity? See this high and that high. Very clean buy. Very clean buy sell liquidity. Very clean. App tick by tick. Okay. This high and that high. Tick by tick. So yeah, though I missed that entry, but still I'm happy because I was almost right about my direction. I was almost right. Okay. So I'm happy for that. There's a lot of news today. Yeah, I know. That's why I just changed to paper money because I don't want to lose money out the London session. Would love to get some money from the New York session. Thank you, no problem. Trading strategy. Oh, yeah, it's okay, brother. Which platform you are using? Top step, brother. Easy forex strategy testing. Top step, brother. Yesterday's 1 hour 11 a.m. candle closed Monday lows. Why don't you consider that as a market structure shift? Hello, bro. Hello, bro. The thing is, brother, market never go depending on the market structure shift. Market always go depending on the liquidity. Every single time, market will move here and there only because of liquidity. No other, I mean, no other reason. There is no other reason. Actually, I have tweeted this today. Let me show you. If you come to my profile, and I have actually take a screenshot from Ali Khan, from, I'm not following him. It was in my homepage. Okay, he told that the market, just 15 hours ago he posted this. The market moves between liquidity and inefficiencies. Okay, highs or lows. Highs, not high. Highs or lows. Relatively equal high, relatively equal low, or highs and lows, not high, only high. And fair value gaps. Okay, price utilize PD array and time to move between these 2 points. Between these 2 points, PDRs can be used for pyramid entries or exits, and to gauge order flow. Most don't know how to use them correctly, so they call it noise. But I told you I don't use PDRA because I think most of the people doesn't know how to use the PDRA. I know that all of you know are actually with this. Okay, so PDRA most of the people doesn't know. That's why I don't use PDRA, because I don't know how to use that one. If you know, please use them, no problem. I told that market always go liquidity to liquidity. After taking the liquidity, it needs a resting room, and that is the fair value gap. So it can reverse from a random area. After taking the liquidity, it has to reach a fair value gap from where it is going to reverse. Okay. Now, is that from this time frame? Do I need a fair value gap from 1 minute? No. Do I need it from 5 minutes? No. I need a fair value gap that is more obvious. Now, I love 15-minute chart. Okay. I believe that 15-minute chart will be that time frame. It's up to you which time frame you like. So that is that point. I mean, highs, lows, and fair value gaps. That means highs, when these lows will be taken, then it has to reach to that fair value gap. When it will come here, it has taken that buy side liquidity. Remember, this high and that high, they were relatively equal highs. After taking that relatively equal highs, what did it reach? Last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. It reached over that, then it fall. If market can take that sell side liquidity, should it reverse after taking that? No, it should at least reach to that fair value gap, then it should reverse, something like that. So he told like that way. I mean, there is some other meaning as well, but I want to go with my point. Okay, that was my point. He just tweeted it 15 hours ago, maybe now 16 or 17 hours ago, because I have tweeted this like 1 hour ago. So yeah, he has tweeted it that 16 hours ago, but I told you this long time ago. You just don't believe me because I'm not famous. I'm no one who is actually well known, so you don't believe me. It's okay. You will believe me because whatever I'm telling you here, most of the people is going to use my word now. I have seen some people has started to use my word, maybe in a different way, but yeah, they're using my word. I'm happy. Okay, I'm still bearish. I'm thinking that market will take this low and that low. At least this two low will be taken. That's my thinking. After taking this is my most obvious target. This buy side liquidity will be my target, but right now I'm thinking that market can fall little more until this fair value gap. Yeah, that's the thing. Is the 258 candle a valid breaker? There is no breaker. I mean, I don't know, is it valid or not. In my opinion, there is no breaker. We believe you are the wizard. Don't do it, Peter. Why you always troll me, brother? Why do you do that? And thank you so much, guys. Yesterday I got, actually, okay, I got 2 subscribers now, but yeah, yesterday I got a lot of subscribers, and I'm very near to 5,000 subscribers. It's 4763 now. I need near about 237. Yeah, need 237 subscribers to make it 5,000. As Peter told, after making this 5,000, he's gonna give our, what to say, I mean, t-shirt. So yeah. Peter, your time is come, and you are in time. Okay, you have to give the Peter, I mean, t-shirt. Be ready, Mark Hanson. I'm non-giveaway. I love you, man. I love you all. I really love you all. Now, go to your 15-minute chart. one more time. Why I was bearish at the morning session, right? Why I was bearish, why I wasn't looking for buy. The reason is, in a longer term, I would love to see market will take at least this buy side liquidity today. At least this buy side liquidity. Now, around morning session or the London session, not the morning session, London session, it should first go lower, take some liquidity. Why? The expansion, the continuation of expansion. This is the continuation, I mean, second expansion of Wednesday. Now, the Thursday should go lower first. Then it should expand. I am just trying to get that run from London session. So around London session, I am just expecting this run, okay? This lower run. Market should go little below. How do I know that? I have already uploaded the narrative video to my channel. Please watch them. Please watch them, okay? That's why I was expecting market will go lower. At least it will take that sell side liquidity. If this sell side liquidity is taken, oh man, it's kind of heaven. I would love to see market will take that sell side liquidity. It will reach at least until that consequent encroachment of that parallel gap from 15 minutes. That's my expectation. I'm still bearish. Do I have any chance to take a sell from there? No, I don't have. I had a chance over here when I got the market structure sheet. If one candle could trade that parallel gap, at least to that parallel gap, then I would take that sell. Why I'm not telling this is my breakout gap, this is my entry parallel gap? Because this parallel gap, I'm talking about the highest one, okay? The highest one. It is above the liquidity. See, this is my liquidity right here. This high and that high, they are relatively equal highs. So this is my liquidity level. Where is this parallel gap is situated? Just at the level or above the buy side liquidity. So I'm not thinking that even if market would love to go higher, this is its last run to reach. It should not go above. If market would love to go lower, it should not reach over there. So if it could reach over here to that parallel gap, that is called the entry parallel gap in my opinion. If it could reach over here within 3 candle, I would take a sell. If it reach here now, no, I'm not interested to take sell. I'll just let it go. I'll see how it go there and take that sell liquidity, and I will be happy because I was right to my direction. I didn't take a buy from that parallel gap. When market went higher, I didn't take any buy from there. So I'll be happy. Tito, I asked Peter Henry not to bug you, but he does not listen. He never listen, brother. He never listen. He is in China maybe right now. He never listen. What can we do, FX? We should do something, brother. 15-minute travel gap at 7:30. 7:30 yesterday is still valid. Jobs. 15-minute travel gap from 7:30 yesterday. Let me check. Are you talking about this one? No, this 6. Why 7:30? What did you say? 7:30 is still valid. I mean, I don't know where is the 7:30. Are you talking about this parallel gap? If you are talking about this parallel gap, it is still valid. If you are talking about this one, it is still valid. Okay, if market can make a parallel gap over here, for example, from 15-minute chart, it has made a parallel gap before taking that sell side liquidity. Then price trade that parallel gap. Let me remove this 2 line. Let me mark another 2 line here. Okay, for example, I don't know it is going to do that or not. If market can make a parallel gap over here from 15-minute chart, then market failed to take that sell side liquidity. Before taking that sell side liquidity, market came back again here. I will start to look for sell again. If market take that liquidity, then I would love to see if it can make another liquidity with this low, relatively equal lows. If it can make that liquidity again with this low, then I will wait until price reach over there. Then I will start to look for sell again. Are you getting my point? If market come lower, okay, for something like this, for example, if market came just here, okay, didn't take that low, come back again here, I'm gonna look for sell here. This will be my thinking. If market take all of these lows, I'm not looking for sell anymore. I will start to look for buy. No more sell. I started to look for buy. I am gonna sacrifice all of this run. This run, see, I'm gonna sacrifice everything. If market just came here, okay, it has taken this obvious liquidity, but came here, made another relatively equal lows. It can't take that on. It can't make the obvious liquidity. It can't do that. It has to stay at the level of this low or above this low. Have to make the relatively equal highs. Then either if market fail to make another fair value gap over here, which is called entry fair value gap. If there is only one fair value gap, only this one, then I will wait until here price will come here, then it will fall. If market can make another entry fair value gap around that area, then market will come here to that entry fair value gap. I'll start to look for sell. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear or not? Let me know. Is it really hard to do this? I don't think so. I really don't think so. Get your point perfectly. Thank you. Hello, brother. You are a wizard that never sleeps. Shahid, I slept actually. I slept around Newark local time. What time it was? I think around 10 p.m. EST. Around that time I slept, and one of my brother, he actually told me that they already give the fire drill. So I thought I was upset. I tried to find out when they gave it to us, and I find out that no, they are going to give the fire drill today, because if you go to Top Step TV, you will see the title of today's live fire drill. So they are going to give us the fire drill. I need that fire drill. Okay, even if I'm here and I'm doing live, any of you have to take that responsibility, that when they will give away that fire drill, you will let me know. I need that fire drill. The reason is I'm in Bangladesh and I'm really unable to you know use the dollar from here. So I need some kind of, I don't want to. Top step not available in Sri Lanka. Why? It should be available all over the world. Even in Bangladesh it is available. Then why not Sri Lanka? Clear, bro. Thank you, Fazlul. Shabs, sorry. The fair value gap at 745 is still valid. Yeah, the 745 fair value gap is still valid, because that fair value gap didn't close by body. When that will be closed by body from 15-minute chart, it's not valid anymore. Okay, it's valid depending on the balanced price range, but it's not valid for using. I mean, for me, it's not valid. Okay, I have done the balanced price range and imbalanced price range. I have done with that, so I don't want to talk with that. According to that reason, as the way I'm explaining last fair value gap and the entry fair value gap, in that type of sense, it's not valid anymore. You have an account with Top Step, you need to reset, brother. Yeah, I have 1000k account. I had this one like 100,000 account from where, maybe long time ago. Okay, I don't know. I actually cancel the reveal, the reveal, so they don't take the money, or they are not even going to take the money, as because I don't have the money in my account over there. And even if I have that, they are not able to take that. I cancelled it. I will try to reactivate that, and with that reset button, if I get that. I'm not sure, but yeah, I will try if I get that. Okay, but it's been a long time ago. I mean, I have deactivated the subscription, monthly subscription, but still I believe that I will be able to reactivate it. Come on, my English, brother. This parallel gap is still valid, because look at this low. This low didn't closed by any kind of body. See, it has been closed by weak, but nobody closed that low. So here I'm talking about this fair value gap. This fair value gap. Okay. See, no body closed by the body. I mean, sorry, no fair value gap closed by the body. So yeah, it's valid. Which other prop firm you suggest? FTMO. Outside of top step, I only trade in FTMO. Outside of top step, okay. Now most of the people actually are doing Apex because they give high high discount rate. Okay, sometimes they give 90% discount. But in my opinion, it's really difficult. I mean, the trailing stop loss, I don't like that. Okay, in Apex. But if it goes with you, then absolutely fine. Okay. And side actually, I have one more plan. If I have that reset, and if I able to, I mean, pay the bill and get the reset, okay, something like that, then I will try to, the pending 100K account, I will express that account, and then I will do the, over leverage trading, something like I will try one trade with 10 contracts, something like that. Okay, I will go with the maximum leverage every single time until I blow that account. I will do that if I get that reset, because 75% is huge, so it's gonna be $25 only for the 100K account. So I will go for that. FTMO sheet spreads for futures. Oh, okay. Actually, when I use the FTMO, it's been already 6 to 7 months. I used to trade if I mean this US 500 and US 100. Okay, so yeah, the spread is really shitty over there. I don't know what to say. Okay, about the prop firm. In my opinion, top step is the best. Outside of top step, I find out that FTMO is the only thing which is I mean reliable. Apex, the trailing stop loss, I don't like, but except the trailing stop loss, Apex is famous as well. Okay, why do you not mark out yesterday's 1645 candle 15-minute fair gap? Look, this is a 15-minute chart. Okay, look at this whole story over here. This is that buy side liquidity, this high and that high, they are relatively equal highs. They are relatively equal highs. That's my target, right? This is that entry fair value gap, last fair value gap. Price came to that entry fair value gap, went to the last fair value gap, make this fair value gap. See this fair value gap? It has made this fair value gap. Now, inside all of this thing, this is this price action. It's not important in my opinion. If you want to take some kind of lower or I mean low type run, you can mark the fair value gap from here, maybe anywhere from there. I'm not interested. I'm just looking at this bigger picture. I'm thinking like that way. Market will come here, then it will go here. That's my expectation. Okay. So I don't need to mark the fair value gap from there. I'm just watching this bigger picture over here. Now, if I want to catch this lower type move, this type of move, I will mark this fair value gap, maybe that fair value gap for lower move. Okay. I don't need to mark them for lower move. I would love to see the higher move. Is it clear, brother? If it's not, let me know. I am explaining again this part if you are not clear. Now, guys, tell me one thing. When market was over here, what did I say? Market is going lower to take that sell side liquidity. Shouldn't I deserve some kind of, I mean, should I deserve it? Like anything you want to give me, tell me. Yesterday, every single of you told me, not everyone, most of you told me that market is going to fall. I'm the one who told that no, I don't believe that market is going to fall. It's going higher. Every single time I told that market is going higher. Now at the end, I really wanted to see, isn't it logical, brother? Tell me, okay? Just if I say something bad, let me know that. Now sometimes it happens. That's why we miss the entry. This low and that low aren't the relatively equal lows when market is very near to that relatively equal lows. Just look over here. Now why market reverse from there? I can explain that with a lot of logic, but I don't want to go over there. Should not I believe that market will just take that relatively equal lows or most obvious lows? See, it should take that. Just how many handle left? Just 6 handle. It should take that, then it should give me that setup. What a nice setup, man. What a perfect setup. Market structure shift, fair value gap, immediate reaction, boom. If this thing would happen after taking that sell liquidity, because in my experience I have seen market actually reverse after taking that sell liquidity and after from this obvious liquidity. I mean, sorry, fair value gap. In my experience in my life, I have seen that 99% of the time it happens. Now sometimes it's exceptional, like yesterday it happens without giving me any opportunity, it went higher. I'm not interested to take that buy, and I was not upset at all because I was waiting for the perfect one. It didn't give me the perfect one, I didn't participate. Then it went higher. Wasn't it logical? It should take that liquidity, then it should go higher. Is it logical or this is logical? Just let me know that. I believe that if you know about ICT or ICT stuff, you will tell me that I was logical. Market is going to take that low, then it is going higher because just 6 handle. I was thinking market will come here to that last parallel gap, then it will fall again, take that liquidity, then it will go higher. From the morning, from here, I was telling that I am seeing this is just a Judas swing from 9:30 to until 10. From 9:30 to until 10. Do you remember? That is the Judas swing. Then market is going higher actually. So at the end, market went higher, but I missed that entry. To be honest, I missed it because I was expecting market will go lower, take that liquidity, then it will give me the setup. It didn't do that. I missed that opportunity. It's okay. Same thing I was expecting here, like over here. See this high and that high, they are relatively equal highs. Even if market would love to go lower, it should take that on, tap to this parallel gap, then it fall. I'm really happy to see that. Like over here now, market went lower, take maybe it has taken some liquidity, right? Give me the market structure shift. This is the fair value gap. Am I going to take buy over here? Am I going to take buy over here? Something like that. Until this buy sell liquidity. No. Is it valid? In my opinion, it's not valid. Why? Because market left the most obvious liquidity here. Why I should take that buy? When I'm seeing that market is leaving the sell liquidity over there. But if it goes and if it does like that way, if it works perfectly in that way, I'm not afraid. I'm not what to say. I mean, I'm not upset at all. So market failed to make that 50-minute fair value gap. So I'm gonna remove it because there is no 50-minute fair value gap. Okay. If market could make a fair value gap around that area from 50-minute chart, I would look for sell from there until this sell side liquidity. It failed to make it, so I'm not gonna frame my trade for the sell side liquidity the way I explained. It didn't give me that. I'm not interested. Simple thing. I'm not interested to take that buy because market is leaving the most important now. I believe that market will take that sell liquidity and I will prove my point over here. What I missed here, I'm gonna prove my point here. This entry, I'm gonna prove it. I believe that market is going to take that sell liquidity now. If it happens, then I will tell you. This is the same kind of situation like yesterday. Market left the liquidity below, I mean below it, then gave me the setup. Should I go for that? If it went lower, then I'll prove my point. If it doesn't go there, then I'm wrong with this run as well. Okay, Hello, bro. I'm new here. Kusing, welcome to my channel, brother. Your chart is same as mine. We are brothers. Yeah, we are brothers, man. Okay. If you miss cash flow funding giving free account on claiming CFF coins. I didn't know that. Why do you not mark out yesterday's 4:45 candle 50-minute fair value gap? I think I explained that why I have marked the fair value gap over there, Glenn. Because I need the bigger picture. I don't need a small picture over here. I just need the bigger picture. So in bigger picture, I'm just seeing this from 15-minute chart. Market came to this entry fair value gap. It came here to that last fair value gap. When it went higher, this is that fair value gap. Remember, I was talking about a fair value gap around that area. This is that fair value gap over here. If market come here, I will start to look for buy. Where? Towards this buy side liquidity. See this high and that high, they are relatively equal highs. So this is that fair value gap. Now, if market, if I want to mark any kind of fair value gap around that area, any kind of fair value gap, that is only for a smaller picture. Okay, maybe if you want to trade in second chart, then you will need this type of fair value gap. I don't need this consolidation. I'm just thinking with the bigger picture. Here is my liquidity. Here is my fair value gap. First market came to the entry fair value gap, went higher. This is the reaction. Market should come here to that fair value gap. Then I will look for another buy opportunity toward that buy side liquidity. That's my thinking. So I'm gonna skip every price action inside of this consolidation. So this is consolidation. If you want to take some kind of run depending on that fair value gap, you can go for that. Why I am looking for sell? Again, let me explain that. This is sorry, yeah. This is just Wednesday, okay? Thursday is the continuation of the extension. So just for example, Wednesday closed here. What will Thursday do? Thursday will just go below the liquidity first, then it will continue the expansion, something like that. In my opinion, yesterday was the expansion toward the buy side liquidity. Why then this big run? This is just Judas swing again. From 9:30 to 10, the whole run is called Judas swing. That means the fake run, fake move to make people fool. I see that like that way. If my bias is bullish, I'm seeing this as a Judas swing. I told that yesterday sometimes. I'm telling you again. At the same time, first market will go low, then it will go higher in uh, Wednesday as well. So this is this run. Over here, this is the starting of that Thursday. I'm looking this run, okay, from here to here at around London session. Around London session, I'm just expecting this run. So market will go lower, then boom. I mean around lunch hour. This will be your lunch hour. Exactly this thing will be your lunch hour. Around lunch hour, market will again go below, little below, boom. This is the whole picture. I I actually I draw in my mind. Apex is okay, but the trailing stop sucks. Yeah, the trailing stop loss I don't like. Now, if there was a 15-minute fair value gap, if market could make a fair value gap around that area, just for your understanding, yeah, I can see a fair value gap over there, but I'm not interested of that. But if there was a perfect fair value gap, then this would be my setup. See, market went higher, take the liquidity, market structure shift, very immediate reaction. This would be my setup if there was a 15-minute fair value gap. I would push my button over there. No, I don't care about anything else. I would push my button over there. So that will be sell side liquidity. This is your first fair value gap, and there is your last fair value gap or the breakaway gap. So I would push my button when price was over here. I mean here, very immediate reaction. I would go for the maybe this high because still it is 9 handle only, and London session. This is the fun part. Okay, I would put my target over there. and I would take a partial around here. That would be my partial point. You have to take the partial over there. That would be the first partial. Okay. As I don't have that 15-minute travel gap, I'm not going for that setup. Even if it works, I'm not interested. That is called discipline, or you have to discipline. I mean, a plus plus setup or something. Yeah, it's called like that. Even it looks so beautiful to me, I'm not interested to take that one. Even if it looks so beautiful to me. So only by seeing the setup, I don't take my entry. I need higher time frame confirmation that really market will love to go lower, or it should, I mean, just it can reverse from there. Maybe it will come until here. It can come until here. So I am not interested to take that one. And let me actually mark the last favorable gap or breakaway gap. I would love to see how the body closes around that area. Okay, I would love to see that as well. Apex is okay. Yeah, the people like Apex for copying trading 20 accounts. Yeah, Kusing, welcome brother again. Your chart is same as mine. I have read your comment. Peter Henry twins. Yeah, we are twins. Hello, bro. I'm new here. Okay, Kusing, I read your comment. It stops trailing after you hit the profit buffer on the live account. Was that Shahid actually? Can you tell me? Can you make it clear, brother? Little more. Kusing, subscribe and like, brother. Thank you, Glenn. Thanks. Okay, thanks. Okay. Shahid, true. Boom, 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 boom. There is the Twitter link over there. If you anyone want to join with me, you can join. I just thought that the 1645 fair value gap candle was the first fair value gap for the retracement. Just trying to understand your view. Did you get it, Glenn? Let me know if you get it. Price actually can leave 1530 fair value gap as breakaway gap and give a bullish move from 8 entry fair value gap. S price already tapped 15-minute fair value gap and can happen as yesterday's P. Absolutely, it can happen, sister. Absolutely, it can happen. Okay. Right now, as I explained, I'm just expecting some kind of lower run. Okay, that's all I'm expecting, and that expectation is telling me market should go lower a little bit. But the way you explained, this is your 15-minute chart. It can left that fair value gap as a breakaway gap. This fair value gap, it can left that fair value gap as a breakaway gap. At the same time, see this fair value gap, it is also valid for sending market higher. Also, it is valid. So it can do one thing. It can actually came to that fair value gap. Now it can go higher. Obviously, it can do that as well. I'm not arguing with you. I love listen carefully. Okay, I love to work with a expected expectation. If it works with my expectation, I jump into the market. If it doesn't, I'm not interested. I'm not interested at all to do anything over there. Right now, I'm thinking that market will go lower. Take that sell side liquidity, that on, it will trade that fair value gap little more. Why? Because the narrative. Wednesday closed here. Thursday, first it will go little higher. It will go lower. It will take that low. This run, I always expect from London session. This run, okay? So this low. Here is that low. See this low? This low is that low over here from Wednesday. See from Wednesday. I'm expecting the same thing over here. Price will go below that low, then it will expand higher. This is my expectation from Thursday. If I get it, I'll jump for the trade. I mean, sell for sell. I don't have any opportunity to take sell here because there is no 15-minute fair value gap. I had an opportunity over there, but market didn't let me take any entry. There was a market structure shift. Absolutely fine. If I come over here, though not perfect, but yeah, as I told, market structure shift, but market didn't let me take entry over there, so I didn't take participate to this run. Now if it went higher, I'm also good with that. As I explained, as there is no 15-minute fair value gap, I'm not interested to take this entry. But if market trade any fair value gap from there, I would take that entry. Even if hit my stop loss, I don't care. If there was any fair value gap from 15-minute chart, as I don't have that, I'm not interested to take that entry. If anyone got my point, I'm happy. If you don't get my point, I'm unhappy for you. Do you always need liquidity to be taken as your rules, T2? Or if you see MSS and displacement is okay, you have to have the liquidity. Without liquidity, you can't even frame your trade. I don't care about the displacement. I don't care about the fair value gap. I don't care about the immediate reaction. I don't care about the last fair value gap, first fair value gap, anti fair value gap, nothing. I only care about the liquidity. If there is liquidity, I will be there. If there is no liquidity, I'm not interested. That liquidity has to have from 15 meters. It has to have at least from 15 meters. At least from 15 meters. If you get a higher time frame like hourly chart, it's cool as well, okay? But at least 15 minutes, not 14 minutes, not 30 minutes, not 5 minutes, not 1 minute. At least 15 minutes, you have to have that liquidity on your chart. Daily the liquidity level is not actually most of the time works. The reason is we trade at 1 minute time frame. So when we trade at 1 minute time frame, daily is too far, okay? It's too far. So daily liquidity can be your daily bias, but in short, you have to have that 50-minute fair value gap. When you will be in 1 minute chart, you are not allowed to hold your trade until that 50-minute fair value liquidity. You have to find out any other liquidity from 1 minute chart. If you don't get it, you have to go with the last fair value gap from 1 minute chart to either take partial or close your trade. This is rules. Okay. I think it's leaving the liquidity for new work session. New work session will be extremely bullish. The new work session will be extremely bullish. That's my thinking, okay? New work, it has no time to go lower. Whatever the manipulation it has to do, it has to do now. Now or 7 a.m. Q zone. Trust me, man. I think it's if market is love to go higher, if I'm not absolutely wrong. If I'm not absolutely wrong. If I'm absolutely wrong, then yeah, obviously market can go toward the social liquidity. Maybe it will come here, maybe here, it will come over there. I don't know. But yeah, until then, cheers. I'm feeling that market is coming lower because at New York session, it doesn't have the time. It really doesn't have the time to go low. Today is the last day of this week. It has to reach this area. You see this area? It has to reach over there, 18626 at least. That's why it should come here now. It has to come here now. There's no other option. Hi T2. Okay, it's not T2s, it's TITU or T and 2. So T2, not S. Okay, there is no S. Do you see that last swing high as a breaker on the 1 minute chart? There is no breaker. There is no breaker. Until now, there is no breaker. In my opinion, maybe there is breaker, but in my opinion, in my rules, I don't see any breaker around that area. No breaker at all. Okay. Hey, Sida Pro, how are you, brother? Yes, I got it. Thank you. Okay, Glenn. Apex trailing is only on the evaluation. Once you are on funded account, they will trail until you make the profit plus 100. So for 50k account, once you make 2,600 profit, they will stop trailing it. Oh, that's cool, man. I didn't know that. I should Apex then. I should try Apex. How many account can I have from Apex account? I mean from Apex. How many account can I get in one time? I mean, like in top step, I'm able to take only 3 account, right? So how many it will be from Apex? Perfect explanation. You are most welcome, Peter. If anyone is new here, you can subscribe to my channel. I'll be really glad if you subscribe to my channel. If you don't give, I mean, if you forget to give me the likes, please don't forget that. Give me the likes, okay? I think London session will make V shape if it wants to go upside. So New York session can extend it. I don't know what is V shape. I have no idea about that, but what I told you, that's my expectation, and I will only stay with my expectation. Okay, I'm not gonna change it. If I'm wrong, I'm happy because I have no opportunity to excel. If there was a 15-minute fair value gap, I would take that sell. I told that. Okay, even if I get wrong, I got stopped out, I won't be upset. But right now, I don't see any entry. I just put it like that way. If it works, fine. I'll be happy. I do these things. You have to do that things. This is called filling the market. I'm just trying to fill the market. I'm only interested to see this, just seeing this, nothing else. Just seeing this. If it happens like that way, I will be able to take trade in London, I'm sorry, New York session as well, New York PM session as well, 7 a.m. till then maybe. If it doesn't happen, if it goes higher, something like this, maybe I'm gonna miss the whole day today. Okay, simple. You always heard about the discipline. This is called discipline. And copy trade them. Oh, okay. I will try that Apex then. Apex is bad because of trailing drawdown. It's worse than you realize. See the pro, I know about that. That's why I also told that their trailing stop loss is really bad. But yeah, like uh, Shahid told that when you'll be able to get the live account, then after the profit plus $100, maybe I don't know. But yeah, if trailing stop loss is the problem, then it's really easy for me because I am the one who trail his stop loss like a mad guy. Okay, I trail my stop loss like a mad guy, to be honest. Again, whoever actually joined now, don't take this entry because this is not valid. I just put it. I told beforehand, if I see a fair value gap over here from 15 minutes chart, even though I'm like I'm confident that market is going lower, even though I'm confident that market is going lower, I'm not able to take that entry. The reason is there is no 15-minute fair value gap. That's why this perfect setup I'm not interested to take. That was a perfect setup. Okay, liquidity taken, market structure shift, immediate reaction. The perfect setup, I'm not interested to take entry over there. Only reason is there was no 15-minute fair value gap. So please don't push your button. Okay, so it is correct. I came over to top step. Oh, okay, because of that. I got you, brother. Apex 50K account trailing stops with you make 2000 $6,000. Okay, Apex 50K account trailing stops. Oh, okay, trailing stops when you make 2600 $2600, $5,100. Trailing stop loss, it's not a problem for me. Trust me. I am the one who trail stop loss like a crazy guy. Okay, I am the one who trail stop loss like a crazy mad person, something like that. 4765. I get four subscriber from London session. Thanks that four people who have subscribed to my channel. I really man, I really appreciate that. Peter Henry only buy 50K account. Better option. There is a 15-minute fair value gap actually. Vitor Faria. Brother, what is the 15-minute fair value gap? How did I miss it? Okay, you were talking about this fair value gap. No, I don't see them as my fair value gap. I go with something clean over here. See this fair value gap? It's clean. This fair value gap, clean fair value gap, clean fair value gap, clean fair value gap. This one really hard to identify. See, really hard. So I don't go for them. Okay, so it's valid, but I don't go. Usually I don't go for them. Actually, think 150K is optimum. Okay, why do you think that, FX? Why do you think that 150K is optimum? What is wrong with 50K? Let me know. I want to know you guys how you think about the platform. Hey Rahul, good morning, brother. Peter Faria, you need to look at Mini's contract. Yeah, there's the mini contract. I mean, NQM, not micro. This is the mini contract, brother. Peter Faria. There's a small parabolic gap. I guess that I showed you the parabolic gap, which I don't care because this is too hard to identify. Actually, I make my chart bigger. If I make my chart in a usual way, this is the usual way, okay? This should be the chart. This should be the way in your chart you will see. In like that way, this parabolic gap is not identified from normal size. This is normal size. Now, if I stretch the chart, something like that, I'm now stretching my chart, okay? Now you see this parabolic gap is very clean, but it's not. I don't see this is a valid because if algorithm would love to use them, they would make it more clear, more cleaner, okay? As they didn't keep it more cleaner, I don't see them as my parabolic gap. Again, that's just my opinion, okay? Just my opinion. I'm not telling that I'm right. I'm not telling that I'm wrong. I'm not just telling anything. I'm just telling you my opinion. And the same way, I am still bearish. I don't know what you are thinking. Is it going higher or lower or anything you want to think, you can think. I will just go with this. But I'm not able to push my button. I have to see the price, how it reads over there. That's all I can do. There's nothing I can do. Nothing else, okay? But yeah, it should come here and hit that 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 sell side. At least it has to hit this on after here. After hitting this is most obvious, okay? So something like that. Vitor Faria, I have always been told that size doesn't matter. Yeah, size. Oh man, it's a double meaning message, man. What is that, Vitor? Oh man, with 50 with 50K account, you have 2,500 dollars, and you should make 3,000 to pass evil. With 150K, you have 5K, and you need to make 9K to pass. Extra price you pay extra to purchase bigger account is not huge. Yeah, it's huge, man. Peter, where are you from, brother? Where did that come from? Oh man, it just came suddenly. Peter just told that, and it come from this 15-minute travel gap from here. Oh man, I'm sorry, okay, but I can't stop myself because of his comment. Any of you didn't subscribe to my channel, still watching, you are welcome to subscribe to my channel. Make it at least 4800. Okay, 4800. Make it from this London session. Then we will target 4900 at the New York session. No, brother, you have to push your button. If I push my button, is it more valuable rather than if I continue to talk about the price action? Which one is more valuable to you guys? I saw most of the people who do the live session, they only focus how to trade. Okay, for example, I will only talk when I will see the setup. When I will see the setup, then I will explain why I'm taking that setup, what I'm doing here. I'm trying to teach you around when I'm looking for setup every single time. Okay, I was right over here that market is going to fall. I could have stopped. I could have stopped, right? I don't need to be wrong or predict the price one more time. Most of the YouTubers do that. When they're right one time, they stop talking about the future price action. I keep talking what I am going to see every single time. Yeah, sometimes I don't get it. Sometimes I'm wrong. And I'm not a future reader. I don't know what is going to happen in future. I really don't know. I just can predict. So yeah, I hope that you will understand my concern or something. Price action beat. You just a joke on a small parabolic. Yeah, Peter, I got it, man. I got it. Size doesn't matter. Yeah, I know. Price action. I like taking talking price action. Thank you, Saloni. Only like a small parabolic. Lol. Size doesn't matter, Peter. You didn't hear. Size doesn't matter. Oh. So this obvious liquidity has taken. Okay, so I'm gonna remove it from my chart. The partial has been taken. The stop loss has to be to the break even. I don't know why. Whatever. Stop loss has to be to the break even. It should be taken. Okay, my thinking is market should not reverse from this area, though it tapped to that favorable gap. See, it tapped to that favorable gap. But to be honest, I really want this guy to take that low. If it can take that low, then my theory will be right. What is my theory? Sorry, my theory was this is the end of Wednesday. This is the Wednesday end. This is the starting of Thursday. Now the London session started. London session. Okay, this is London session. Thursday. Only this is only applicable for Thursday, not any other day. Just Wednesday and Thursday. This is applicable for only Wednesday and Thursday. If I'm thinking market is going higher, it should take this low from Wednesday. Boom. This is the London session. Now using the sorry 7 a.m. kill zone, market can go little lower or it can go little higher. Doesn't matter. If it go little higher, I will look for the market structure shift from 15-minute chart. Parabolic gap, boom. Continuation, boom. Continuation, sorry. Continuation, I mean, parabolic gap, boom. Morning, I mean, London, what to say? The morning session, lunch hour. Market went little lower, boom. PM session again, boom. Until your buy sell liquidity is not taken. Okay, so yeah, I really want it to take that low. Then only then that theory will be perfect. Okay, now if it doesn't give me that, I'm okay with that because it take the liquidity tap to that fair value gap. If it happens, I'll be happy. Simple thing, brother. Now there was the partial, but brother, it's a small run. Even if you take that entry from there until here, just 9 handle, you have nothing to do. You have to be happy around the London session with 10 to 15 handle. If you are able to take a partial here and if you can hold your trade until that low, can I hold it until the consequent encroachment? No, you can't. If you have more than 3 contracts, for example, you have taken 3 contract entry here. One contract you took partial there, one contract you can take partial here, then the rest one contract you can keep until that consequent encroachment. If you take one contract, what should you do? Either you have to close your trade when it will go below that obvious liquidity where I am writing down first partial, or you have to put your stop loss to the break even if you don't want to take partial over there. If you want to hold it until here, you have to put the stop loss to the break even because market has taken the most obvious liquidity. It can reverse from there. It tapped to that fair value gap. See over there, this low. Just tap over there. Now it can go for that clean buy side. Look, this high, that high, that high, tick by tick. Just look over here, tick by tick. Market never see keep this type of clean highs, clean lows. Market never keep them like that way. Never ever. So yeah. So market can easily go for that buy side liquidity, but I really want to see market will take that sell side liquidity. That's my expectation. Now if it doesn't take that on, you will start to tell that I'm wrong. If you tell that, I'm happy, but I will count that I was right, because when market was here, not here actually, here market was exactly here, because I started my stream around here. I told that this sell side liquidity is my target. I'm only expecting this sell side liquidity. If it left that relatively equal highs, that will be better. If it take that one and tap over there, then it go for that sell side liquidity. I mean, not that one, actually the obvious one over here, that one should be taken. I told that market went lower. I told that though it's not a perfect market structure shift, but if I get an immediate reaction, I'm gonna take my sell. I didn't get the opportunity, I didn't take that sell. Market came here, I outlined that if there is a 15-minute fair value gap, I'm gonna take this entry. There was no 15-minute fair value gap, I didn't take my entry. Yeah, I just outlined that, but I didn't take it. Now, if market just reverse from here, I will count myself that I was right. I wasn't wrong. I don't say that I was wrong. I will say that I was right. Now, exactly as ICT told, we don't predict the lowest low or high. We don't predict that. I'm trying to predict that high and low, but I don't need that. If you see, ICT sometimes take partial and hold some contract for the precision or for the highest extreme liquidity. This is that extreme liquidity. I have taken the partial. I'm already profitable. I have already put my stop loss to the break even. I'm already profitable. So yeah, I don't know how do you count me, but this is how I count myself. Was I right or was I wrong? Entry, I don't care. Sometimes I get opportunity to take entry, sometimes I don't get it. I'm happy when I see that my expectation was right. Just seeing this small price action, if you can predict where market is coming, trust me, slowly but definitely, you are going to be the real hero of this market. You are going to take lot of buy and sell from the same place. Just be content with some rules at your beginning. That's all, brother. You don't need to learn everything. For example, why market reverse from there? You don't need it. Why market reverse from there? You don't need it. You first look from where market actually coming from here. Is it logical? After taking that buy side liquidity, did it reverse from a random area? No, it didn't. From that last parallel gap, it tap over there, it went lower. After taking the sell side liquidity, most obvious sell side liquidity, just think market is started to go higher. Did it reverse from a random area? No, it tapped to that parallel gap from 15-minute chart. Now it went higher. Is it logical? Absolutely, it's logical. Am I looking for buy here now? No, I'm not looking for buy. Why? The reason is I would love to see market will go below that sell side liquidity. It will take that sell side liquidity, then I will take the buy. Now here is the part what I told you yesterday. Okay, remember there was the obvious liquidity. That was the market structure shift. This is the market structure shift. Here was the fair value gap. Very immediate reaction. How does it look like over there? If you remember, how was that looking like? It is looking like it is going to work. Very nice market structure shift, displacement, fair value gap. You take your buy entry, market is going higher to take that buy side liquidity. Exactly the same thing happened here yesterday. Exactly the same thing. It left that liquidity like that way. It left it open. How could I take that buy? I had no way to do that. What it has done, what I was expecting, market will come here, it will go at least until that last parallel gap, then it will reverse, take that liquidity. Okay, now come here one more time, same area. Okay, market went higher. Where did it go? Maybe here, any kind of area it has for reversal. It tap over there, then it fall, take that obvious liquidity. Maybe now market is going higher. I got a start over there. Maybe market is going higher now. Very nice displacement, everything is fine. Now maybe market is going higher. Is it valid? Absolutely, it's valid. Am I interested? No, I'm not interested. Why? Because I'm seeing this market left relatively equal lows over here. but it has taken all of these lows. Absolutely right. This is called low probability. I don't do I take this type of entry? Obviously, I take this type of entry because it has already taken the most obvious liquidity. I take this type of entry, but this is called low probability entry. Okay, sometimes it doesn't work. The high probable on is if market could take that sell side liquidity, then if it would give me that setup. That is called high probability. It is low probability, but still this is valid. Market taken the most obvious liquidity, tap to that fair value gap. Very nice, exactly perfect market structure shift, perfect immediate uh, displacement. If it can make this fair value gap and immediate reaction within 3 candle, if it can trade that fair value gap until this buy side liquidity. Okay, until this buy side liquidity. Come on, that's awesome. Can we take this one? It's your choice, brother. As I explained, this is low probability. Why? Because market left that on, and you remember my theory didn't work perfectly. Do I take this type of entry? Sometimes I take. When I'm overzealous, I need to take some entry. Yeah, I go for that. Because the funny thing is, if I take this entry, my stop loss will be below that swing low. See this swing low? Just 6 handle. So here, I'm already on the market. Where will be my target? Here. That obvious buy side liquidity. Why I'm gonna hold my trade until here, not closing it around this first fair value gap. The reason is I'm bullish and market take the most obvious liquidity. If it really would love to go higher, it should go through everything. It should go through everything. If I'm absolutely wrong, then market is going to take that sell side liquidity. I will take a 6 handle loss, maybe 7 handle loss. To be honest, not huge risk, not a huge risk. Okay, yeah, I go for this type of trade sometimes, not always, but yeah, sometimes I go for that one because this is logical. If it doesn't work, I'll take a small loss because this is logical. Okay, but again, this is not high probability. Why this is not high probability? Because market didn't take that low. Remember the way I outlined the Thursday price action? It didn't happen over here, but it happened in a smaller way. Market has taken the most obvious liquidity. It just missed the low. I don't count the low as a liquidity. Remember, I don't count the low as a liquidity. It has taken the most obvious liquidity, tapped to that fair value gap. Where is this fair value gap? The only fair value gap that is valid for shifting market structure or for sending price higher. This is that fair value gap. Did it tap over there? It tapped over there. Like Leah told, it can be the breakaway gap. Obviously, it can be the breakaway gap. That is why this is low probability. Sometimes I take this type of entry, but in this type of situation, I would love to see market will close above that fair value gap. If it can close above that fair value gap, especially above this high, oh man, that's called awesome. Is it okay? Is it clear, guys? The way I explained it. T2, your accent is cause of all of this. Your accent is six. FX, what are you doing? What are you talking about now? Eco. Yeah, Peter. I was in short, but closed it on the last green candle. That's cool, man. FX. How do I get my charting color themes to look like yours? I don't know. Where is it? Okay, over here. See this one? This one is my background. So here, this one is my background, and vertical and horizontal line. This is that line. I don't know, but I just changed this one. I so far I remember this one, the very next one. Okay, and text is black. That's all, brother. If it helps, okay. I don't know if, but if it helps. Plus we passed 5 p.m. No, 5 p.m. 5 a.m. is not important, brother, here because our London session will close at 6 a.m. Okay, so London session is actually from 3 to 6, 6 until 1st of April. From 1st of April, it will be 2 to 5. Right now, we are still inside the London session. So yeah, this entry is valid as well because we are inside the session. Team Viva, I don't know whether it helped you or not, but that's my background color. Shirt, shirt, shirted. This London session is always like that. Thank God I hold during that consultation. Okay, hello, bro. And yes, boom. Thank you, bro. Thanks for that word. See, nobody write on boom except you. Thank you, man. Macro coming. Okay, I thought you told that when market was over here. Peter, I missed it. Hello, bro. I was also holding all the way, just lost hope. Don't be, don't be, don't be that. Losing hope is the ending of this game. You should not lose the hope. Yep, he did. Okay, thank you. Peter, wizard in the house. Who is the wizard? Plus, we passed 5. I give you the answer. Okay, guys, there is now about 100 people. I get 32 likes. Is it really fair? Is it really fair, man? Okay, you didn't tell that, Peter. I'm sorry. It was Israel Mespin who told that plus we passed 5 p.m. I guess, brother, it should be 5 a.m. maybe. But yeah, the thing is, our session is from 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. until 1st of April because of daylight saving. Okay? Did I push my button? Even the paper trading? No, I didn't push. Even the paper trading button, I didn't push. The reason is, I mean, right now, this is not high probability. If it's not high probability, I don't need to lose my money. My everything is telling me that market should take that low. It was very near to that low. It failed that. Take that low. So I didn't push my button. I'll just let it go. If I miss that entry, I'm happy with that. But if I get that, okay, after taking this sell side liquidity, if I get another opportunity to take buy, man, that's gonna be heaven for me. Okay, so I didn't push my button over there, even from my paper money. I'm just trying to feel the market, nothing else. This is called low probability. Okay, there is low probable entry. I'm not telling you that this is high probability, this is low probability. Absolutely low probability. Like here, if you want to take this entry over here, you can take that entry, but this is low probability. Absolutely low probability. Most of the time you will see market will come here, then it will turn, stop you out, take that liquidity, then it will expand toward your direction. So this is called low probability. I'm not interested to take low probable entry. Now if I miss that run, am I upset? Because I was thinking this low probability. No, man, I'm not upset. I'm able to take this run. I'm also able to take that run. Sorry, this run. I'm able to take that run, and it's more than enough for me. From here, 28 handle, lot of handle. From here to here, lot of handle, lot of handle. There was an order block entry. Remember, lot of handle. I don't need to catch just one trade and call me I'm the wizard. No, I don't need it. Okay, it stopped me out. Thank you. Let's see now if it can take that low or not. Again, if it can take that low, man, I am just so happy for that price action. to come here at the New York session. As I told, around the New York session, market has no time to go for the sell side liquidity. Market has no time for that. Market has the time only for expansion, only for expansion, only for expansion. It will go little lower, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, because today is the last day of this week. The market has to reach in a level within today. So from 9:30 to 4, it has that time. I liked one time. Do I need to like one more time? No, 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 Patel, no, don't do that, man. Don't do that, man. One time is okay. 100 people, 44 likes, it's okay, man. It's okay. Let's take that low. You didn't take that entry. Why you are writing down boom? This is called price action. When I get it, man. Still, this is the shallow run. Remember, this is the shallow run. This is going to be taken again. This should be taken one more time because that is the shallow run. But still, I get the confirmation that around New York session, I'm gonna get the huge volatility. That's the thing, man. Thank you, Peter. Thank you, brother. Yep, he did. Oh, 4768. 7 people I get from London session. What an achievement, man. 7 people subscribe to my channel from the London session. Thanks to all for subscribing to my channel. Boom boom. Thank you, Pijo. But brother, you were wrong. You didn't take entry. You didn't let us take entry. What did you do? I explained everything over here. Okay, risk is yours. Risk is yours. Always. So from here, I was telling that this low will be taken. That was my target. Finally, it has taken that low. And I'm extremely happy for that. Now, if market would love to go higher, perfect. No problem with that. Please go. If I get any kind of market structure shift now, any type of market structure shift which is valid, this buy side liquidity will be my target. Any type of market structure shift, if I get now toward that buy side liquidity, that will be my target. I'm sorry, that will be my setup take entry. I'll be so confident with that entry. That doesn't mean that's the signal. Go for the buy, go for the buy, go for the buy. No, man, that's not the signal. It's your job. Are you willing to push a button or not? It's your job, okay? So where price came to that fair value gap, it should hold the price, send it back where it should send the price back over here to that buy side liquidity. Why this fair value gap is important? Now this is the part why this fair value gap is important. Look, this is the entry fair value gap, the exact fair value gap where we should frame our trade. Now, for example, we missed our trade over there, right? We missed our entry over there. Market went higher. I am looking for buy. I am looking for, try to understand this part, brother. I'm looking for buy. Now, if I'm looking for buy, I have to look for buy from here to that fair value gap. What do I mean by that? Remember, just don't forget about this low, okay? This low. In a short period of time, I was looking for sell. In a short period of time. So where is the perfect place to look for the sell to that last fair value gap? See this last fair value gap? That is the perfect place to look for sell. And when market actually came to that last fair value gap from the bigger picture, this is from the bigger picture. Both of them are valid. Both of them are valid. You have to look for your sell from there. You missed the entry opportunity. Market came here. When market came here so far, you have to look for another fair value gap from there. Just for example, think there is another variable gap around that area. Just for example, okay, I don't see there is any variable gap, but if there is a variable gap over there, for example, there is a variable gap from 15 minutes here. You will look for your sell setup from there. Why? The same logic here. You missed your opportunity to take buy from there, so you will start to look for a buy opportunity over there. If you get a buy opportunity from here, go buy. ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম সিস্টার, আমি তো লাইভ করি। হ্যাঁ, কালকে আমি অনেক ভিউ হয়েছে, কিন্তু এখন আমি লাইভ করি। আমি তোমাকে, তুমি আম্মুকে ফোন দাও, আমি একটু পরে ফোন দিই। আমি প্রায় শেষ হয়ে গেছে, আর 10-15 মিনিট পরে আমি অফ করে দিব, তারপরে ফোন দেই। আল্লাহ হাফেজ। If there was a fair value gap, I would look for the sell from 1 minute chart. For example, this is the fair value gap from 1 minute, 50 minute chart. Price came here, gave me this market structure shift. After clearing the liquidity, I would go for that set. I mean that sell. Until that obvious liquidity, I would take the partial. Then maybe I would be stopped out to the break even or whatever happens. Okay. Maybe you are over conservative, you kept it until that area and you took the whole run. Whatever is your strategy, go for that entry strategy, but that would be my trade. So this fair value gap and this fair value gap are the same. I'm thinking these two fair value gap as the same way. Over here, from a lower time, I mean from a small or short period of time, I had this sell side liquidity. Over here to a longer long term picture or the huge picture, I have this buy side liquidity. As I'm thinking with a longer picture, market is going to take that buy side liquidity. So I will frame my trade from this 15-minute fair value gap for the buy setup now. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? That okay? Boom, boom, boom. Thank you, FX. T2 car arrived. Boom, boom. Thank you, Patel. Taluni, that boom strategy is so good. Thank you, Taluni. T2, a market wizard with sexy accent. Man, I know my accent is bullshit, but don't say that again and again. Okay, I feel shy, man. I'm trying to improve my English as well. I'm really trying to do that, man. I'm seeing a MMSM to yesterday's lows. Okay, Vitor, it can go for that. I'm not telling that you're wrong. I don't understand the MMXM, so I don't go for them. I love to read the price through my travel gap concept and the liquidity concept. I love to read the price like that way. It's easier for me. I go for that. So far, if this is broken, if this travel gap is broken, then I will look for sell until this or until this last parabolic gap, and eventually I will be actually I will go for that sell side liquidity. Okay, if this one is broken, then I will change my direction. Until this parabolic gap is not broken, I'm bullish toward that buy side liquidity. Until this buy side liquidity, I'm bullish. This last parabolic gap, I'm believing that market is going to break that last parabolic gap. So it is respecting from there, perfect, no problem. But I'm believing that market is going to break that last parabolic gap. So your MMSM is not going to work today. That's my expectation. Even if it works today, it has to reach above that buy side liquidity and the all-time high first. Then it can work the MMSM. That's my expectation. Again, just my expectation, nothing else. Maybe you were right, so don't come back and tell me, see, brother, I told market is going to take that sell. Don't just come, don't tell me later that, okay? I am just explaining my expectation of the way I read the price. If this is broken, then I will look for sell. I'll start to think, okay, no, market is not going to take the buy sell liquidity. But if you ask me, gun to my head, it's not going to break, market is going higher until at least 18626 level. Until that level, market is going, it will pushing higher, it will be pushing higher. Okay, it should drop fast with little interruption now. Okay, let's see, Vitor. We will see. Okay, market touch the 8:30 opening by tick, but that 8:30 is not valid. This 8:30 is valid actually, not invalid. It's valid. The thing is, though it was a reaction, but it's just a candle. Okay, reaction means something. I am unable to show, I mean, explain this kind of thing. This is also reaction, right? This is also reaction, but the exact reaction is something like that. A swing will be reacted from that 8:30. Okay, so something like this here, 8:30 open. Okay, the swing, it reacted from that 8:30. If it react like that way, I don't want to use that one. Now over here, this is the 8:30. Yeah, there was this reaction yesterday also here. Now this is not the perfect reaction because body closed above the 8:30. Let's say I saw that, but I was thinking that I will talk about that, but I forgot that I'm going to talk about that. But yeah, whatever. It go through this 8:30 open over here. It go through that way 8:30 open, then break that 8:30 open again. This is kind of violation. You will understand this after watching this again and again. Still, I'm just trying to figure that out perfectly. Here I'm seeing, if you ask me, yeah, I was seeing that it is the perfect reaction from that 8:30 open from yesterday. It is the perfect reaction. When price came here to that 8:30, you have to look for a sell setup. I'm still telling you, okay, I'm not 100% sure about this theory. I'm just working with that. So if you guys join with me, it will be easier for me to go in a decision. Is it really working or not? Okay, or if you can find out anything else, maybe as the way I'm telling you, it is valid for one day only, not 2 day. Maybe you find out that that 8:30 open actually works after 3 days, not 1 2 days. It will work after 3 days. Maybe it can happen as well, right? Guys can remember that 8:30 open after 3 days maybe. So if you can help me with this, I'll be really grateful to you because I'm expending most of my time in here in live. I'm unable to push my button when I see something according to my experiment. So if you help me, I'll be really grateful to you. Okay. If you start to find it out, is can we use the 8:30 like that with the way brother explained to us? No, if you start to look for them, you will get more lot of thing, man. Lot of thing you are going to get. Lol, I tried to pick the call. Thought it was on my computer. What is that call, brother? Is nice. Nice wife material. Who? MK? What are you talking about? MK Peter, what are you talking about, guys? Ahmed Mustafa. Okay, you guys are MMSM market maker sell model. Yeah, I know MMSM SM, that means market maker sell model. You are thinking that market is going to take these lows. You are seeing this is the accumulation phase, absolutely accumulation phase, expansion. Now market is going to take that accumulation. So you are seeing this is market maker sell model, but I am seeing this market is going higher, take that buy side liquidity. So this is the first accumulation, second accumulation. Market will be here, then it will go lower. First phase of accumulation, I'm seeing whole of this as a second phase of accumulation. Okay, so I'm not telling that you are wrong. I'm seeing this as a second phase of accumulation. That's all. Just this is the difference. Thank you so much, bro. I'm really learning a lot of things from these live sessions always. Thank you, Silas. I'm always attending all the way from Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. I know Uganda. Uganda, most of the people are Muslim from there, right? Silas, are you Muslim, brother? What's that call on your computer? I thought it was on my okay, she's my sister actually. Okay, she's my sister. Don't say anything wrong with her. I mean, she's my just sister. My, what to say, the sister from the same mother, not from another mother. She's my sister from the same mother. Okay, what am I looking for now? Just a market structure shift toward that buy side liquid. That's all I'm looking for, nothing else. If I get that, I'll be very confident to take that buy. Over here, I told that this is the low probability. It can work, it it can fail. But here, if I get this type of market structure shift, I'll take that with confidence and I'm gonna think that it's going to work. Oh, sorry, I thought is your girlfriend. No, my girlfriend broke up with me. She told me that actually when my girlfriend broke up with me, in that time I have blew my one top step account. That was my first account, the first account ever. I blew that account in that same day. I blew near about how much money I blew that day. Not in that day exactly. I mean within 2 or 3 days. It takes 1 or 2 days maybe to blew that account. Near about say $4,700. 4,000, so yeah, something like that. $4,700 I blew, and I blew my first top step account, express account ever in my life. Okay. No, bro, I'm Christian. Oh, okay, no problem. At the consequent encroachment, absolutely. Is it touch the 50-minute consecutive order block? Let me check you. Let's check that, brother. Uh, I'm not interested with that consecutive order block. Yeah, it has traded that, but I'm not interested with that. If I would love to go with the order block, then here is the order block. This is the order block. See this down close candle? That is the order block. Yeah, that is the order block. Market has make another is going to make another favorable gap. Are you looking for a sell from that favorable gap? No, I'm not looking for a sell from that favorable gap. Why? Because the low which I was thinking market is going to take, it has already taken. So I'm not gonna saying I don't want to see another sell setup here. I am only looking for buy setup now. Do I need to make any favorable gap from 15 minutes chart to look for buy? No, you don't need it. Why? Because market is already in a favorable gap, bullish favorable gap that is valid for holding the price, send it back toward the buy side liquidity. So all you need just 1 minute market structure shift toward your buy side liquidity. That's all you need. How she cannot how she cannot fall in love with your beautiful voice. She was with me for near about 4 years. Okay, we were together near about 4 years, but not like live together something. In our country, everything is you know restricted. In our country, we are really good guys. We love to like meet each other sometimes in a public place, but no something like the European love or something like that. No, we don't have that type of situation in our country. We were in a relationship for near about four years. Then she told me that she doesn't find anything good in me, so I'm good for nothing. So she left me. That's all. Okay, that's the end of a good story, a good journey. And from there, I'm broken heart, and I'm not interested with love or marriage. I don't want to love anyone, not anymore. I don't want to marry. So, is this swing high valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely not. Is this swing high is valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely not. What would you need to see to invalidate your bullish bias closing below 1 hour fair value gap? No, Vitor. Just this fair value gap. If it is broken, I'm bearish. Until your low, okay? The way you explained, until that low, yeah, until this low, I'm bearish. If market can go below that fair value gap, that's all I need. But trust me, gun to my head, I don't believe that market is going to break that fair value gap. That's my expectation only. If any of you are looking for sell, maybe this is your sell setup. You are absolutely perfect to go for sell. Okay, absolutely you are perfect to go for sell. I'm not interested. Okay, sorry to hear that. The breakup with girlfriend and the account, I think the account hurt better. No, account, I was just account. No, I don't look the mark like that. I mean, losing trade, it keep happening with me. And losing trade doesn't hurt, but still, if I get any chance, I go and I try to look her from a distance. Okay, still, if I get any chance, if I get any news that she's over there, I go secretly or silently. She never noticed me. I see her, I come back. That's all. Still a lover. I mean, there's nothing called past tense about love. If you ever love anyone, you will love her forever. If you say I loved her as a past tense, that means you never loved her in your life. Yeah, I still love her, but I don't need her anymore. I'm not. I don't want to be with her anymore in my life. Even she comes back, I don't need. I don't. I'm not gonna accept her in my life again. That's all. I love you, Tito. Thank you, Shaps. I know, man. You all of are my family now. Tito, she could not even find your accent sexy. What is wrong with her? I don't know what is wrong with her. Maybe she fall in love with some other guy actually. I guess so. This is a sad story of this is a movie by Ajay Devgan. It's been a long now, near about 3 months. I'm used to it. Okay. Oh, bro, sad story. No, not sad story. It's a love story. If she was with me, you would never see me here around every M session. Okay, M session or London session. You won't see me over there, over here. I wasn't. I won't be here if she was with me. Trust me. If you ask me, I can see this as my breaker now. Why? Don't ask me. Okay. But yeah, this is my breaker now. So something like this. I'll cover this tableau gap actually until here. Is this a good entry to take buy side liquidity above? No, it's not a good entry. The reason is there is no perfect market structure shift. If there was a perfect market structure shift, you could go with your 22 model. But I can see a breaker block, and this type of breaker block works 99% of the time, as my opinion. Okay, I don't know what is going to happen right now, but yeah, it happens most of the time. Let's see if it happens right now or not. Even if I took that entry, that would be 700 loss. But yeah, I'm confident about this entry. Okay, I'm really confident about this entry, and it should work the way I'm thinking. But if it doesn't work, then I will say perfect entry didn't work. I'll just say that. Where is my target profit? My target profit is over here. What is this called? Can anyone tell me what is this called? Anyone. Can you tell me what is this called? Is this a good entry? Okay, I gave you the answer, brother. No, it's not double top. It's not double top. Resistance? No, Sebastian. It's not resistance. Internal buy side liquidity? No, not internal buy side liquidity. I mean, whatever you are telling, everything is right. But what I called them, obvious liquidity, absolutely, Peter. That's called the obvious liquidity because it's a shallow run. If I see the shallow run is called the obvious security. Market should take that obvious security. Absolutely, Ahmad Mustafa. That's called obvious security, brother. Thank God you are not married with your lover. I have a girlfriend that loved me a lot. Then we got married and love is over now. Oh man, what are you talking about? So I got the mohawk. If market would love to go higher, it should go higher now. This candle should not close below that breaker. It should not close below that breaker. It should expand higher now because I got the mohawk already. Market should expand higher now immediately. If I'm absolutely wrong, then market will fall and stop me out. Yeah, it is called the obvious security. Market should go for that obvious security. I'm a little bit worrying about my stop loss. Maybe I put it in a bad way. I mean, yeah, I maybe, but it's okay. Even if I get stopped out, I'll keep this one. I got stopped out, but I'll keep this one, and I would love to see if it works or not because I missed some something over here which I shouldn't have missed. Yeah, I missed it, but let's see if it works or not. Okay. No, that is perfect. Even if I put my stop loss over here, I was thinking about this candle. See this candle, these two candles, they're the consecutive order blocks. So I was thinking that I should have put it below that candle's body over there. My stop loss should have been over there. But even if I put my stop loss over there, I would be stopped out. I'm okay with that. Absolutely. Remove it. It didn't work. I'll see this a perfect setup didn't work. Just that way. A very bad losing. But if you ask me, is this a good? I mean, should I take that entry? You have to wait for the market structure shift. That's the best option to take the entry. Go with that market structure shift, favorable gap, immediate reaction. Trust me, man. Most of the time, you are going to be the winner. Most of the time. If I get a market structure shift right now, can I take that entry? Absolutely, you can take that entry. Why? Because it didn't left in sell side liquidity over here. It didn't left it. Why it came here then? Just came here to make this swing high as a valid swing high for shifting market structure. Is it? I guess so. That's why it came. It went lower. So if you get a displacement now, you're still available. I mean, you can take any entry right now as well. Okay? Until we are not outside of 6, we are eligible to take entry. 550, then enter in trade. When you want to take the entry to your trade, it's your choice, brother. I'm not gonna ask you to take entry now. 4768. Thanks guys for subscribing to my channel. Make it 4770 at least, okay? Make it 4770. Let's see. Is that a valid MSS? Uh, if this swing high is can create, I mean market, if market can create a swing high here, this swing high will be valid for shifting market structure. This swing high will be valid for shifting market structure. But after this candle has to close around that area. The very next candle has to go above that swing high. Has to happen. If this candle come here, make relatively equal lows, then give me the market structure shift. I'm not interested anymore. This is not valid yet, but when this candle will close, this will be valid. One swing high on my left, one swing high on my right. Both of them are lower than that swing high. So it is gonna be valid after closing this candle. So now it's now valid for shifting market structure. All I need displacement above that high. That's all I need now. So how do I join membership? Silas, if you just click on that link, I guess you will be able to join the membership. But it's not mentorship, okay? It's the YouTube membership, brother. For for everyone, it's for YouTube membership, not kind of mentorship, private mentorship. No, it's not like that. It's just the membership. If anyone can make it more clear, I'll be happy to him. Okay, if anyone can make that clear what is actually the membership is, because I find out that some people get confused by the membership and the mentorship. They think this is the mentorship, so they think they will get the mentorship, something like that. So I don't make you confused. This is the YouTube membership, the channel membership. Okay, at the same time, there is the Twitter link. If you are interested to join me with my Twitter, you are welcome. Make it 47670 at least, brother. 4770. Two more guy I need. If I don't get the market structure shift below, I mean in before 6 a.m. So the setup has to have between 6 a.m. If it doesn't happen, I'm not interested to take any more entry. If it happens between 6 a.m., I will be able to take an entry. Okay, simple. All I need a displacement above that swing high with a I mean fair value gap. That's all I need. You just get a green name in the chat. Yeah, absolutely, Peter. Silas, if you take the membership, you will get a green name in the chart only. Okay, is there any member over here? If anyone can write down something, if any member, okay, if anyone here who is member, who took the member, can you please write it down, write down something, brother? If anyone is over here still, then Silas will understand what is that meaning. I mean, membership, you are not going to get any private tutor or something like that. No, you're not going to get that from there. Let's see if there is anyone who will write down something, then I will show you. Click on join. Click on join. Yeah, click on join. Yeah, there is can you see FX civil engineer hope? Their name is green. When they're writing down something, their name is green. So they are the member. So you will get that if you take the membership. Thank you guys, civil and FX. Thank you, man. And help, and you help T2 buy coffee. Yeah, and you will help me to buy coffee. It is just for a coffee for T2. Yeah, that's for a coffee for me. Yeah, I'm like, what to say? I'm fasting, but yeah, that's for cafe for me. Okay, I don't think so. I'm gonna get the displacement before 6, but yeah, still I'll wait until 6. But this is the time for the displacement. If I get it perfect way with a favorable gap, immediate reaction, that is the perfect place to take buy until this buy sell liquidity and finally that buy sell liquidity. That is the obvious buy sell liquidity. See, this high and that high, they're very clean. They're very clean, exactly the same. Okay, so that's the extreme one. This is the obvious one. Even if I get a chance to take buy from here, I will hold it until there. If I take more than one contract, I will take one partial there. I will hold the rest until that buy sell. It's simple. Okay. So was what I was talking about here. That is the swing high, which is valid for shifting market structure. So all I need clean displacement above that high. Okay, above that high with a fair value gap. That's all I need. Laszlo Radani. Thank you, Radani. Yeah, man. Actually, Silas, this is the I mean, membership like him. you will get a green name like Laszlo get. I really appreciate that, man. Thanks for being my member. Thank you, man. And better chance to win t-shirt giveaway. Yeah, Peter, thank you for reminding me. Yeah, if you take the membership, you will get a better chance to get a t-shirt where you will get drama, okay? A lot of drama with that t-shirt. And actually, Peter is going to give that after hitting 5,000 subscribers. See, I have some family member who actually think about me, okay? Thinking about my channel. Awesome, let's do. Greeting everyone. Have a great day today. Hey Sunrise, how are you? Sister, Sunrise, you are sister, right? So far I remember you are a girl. How are you, sister? Thanks for you, best channel. You're most welcome, Radhani. Best channel? No, not best channel. Yeah, Sunrise is a... Peter, how did you know that she's girl? Peter, how did you know that? That Sunrise is a girl? Oh man. Peter, you are a married guy, okay? Don't cheat with your wife. I noticed that you always look for girl. That's not good. How are you feeling about the market today? Bullish, brother. Bullish, sister. Extremely bullish. Over here, you come to your 15-minute chart. Let me remove this. This is my target. Remember this level 18,626. 18,626 is my target. Market came here to that entry fair value gap. Right now, it is trading this area. This fair value gap will hold the price. I told when market was over here. I told that market is going until the consequent encroachment of that fabric gap. Remember exactly I told that I want to see it will come at least until the consequent encroachment of that fabric gap. I cleared that directly, came to that area. Now I'm looking for a buy here. If I get any chance, okay, I got the market structure shift. All I need a valid fabric gap with a immediate reaction. If I get that, I'm gonna take that entry. If it doesn't give me that, not interested. Just I need a fair value gap around anywhere, okay? If it make the fair value gap here, I'm gonna take that entry. My stop loss is going to be here, maybe below that swing low. In my opinion, this is the high probable entry, okay? In my opinion, still I'm not telling any of you to take that entry. Okay, I'm not gonna push my button, but this is what it is, okay? I understand now. I understand it now. Okay, Silas, thank you, brother, for understanding that. Chitu looking for new girlfriend. Oh no, man, I'm not looking for a new girlfriend. I'm done with love. Please apply. No, man. Hey, Winston, how are you, brother? Is it valid? Absolutely. Until now, it's valid. But, brother, it has tapped to the 15-minute this level gap. Are you not looking for sell from there? As my bias is bullish, I'm gonna think that this level gap is going to be broken. Okay, this is how I'm thinking right now. Did I take entry outside of the London session? No, London session will close at 6. Still, I'm inside the London session. Do you think it's going to work? I don't think so. Every entry I take, I think that that's gonna be my losing trade. But if you ask me, this is the high probability entry, high probable entry. Like over here, I told that this is low probability, but here this one is the high probability entry. In my opinion, this is the A plus setup. Okay, sorry, this is the A plus plus setup. in my opinion. Okay, I would love to put it little lower. So I don't think so market will come at least here, but yeah, still I'm gonna put it little lower. All I care about this travel gap. All I care about this travel gap. Just this travel gap. I want to see market will break that travel gap. That's all I want to see. If market can break that travel gap, this buy side liquidity will be so funny. Okay, so fun. Well, good. Just chilling after work. Let's chill, man. Let's chill. Illu, illu, illu. Okay. Ah, ah. Kiss, no? Kiss, shut. Kiss, 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 kiss. Kiss. Alexa. Hmm? Alexa. Batkaba. Batkaba. Kiss. Oh. Oh. Why the one specifically? What is that? What do you mean by that? Why the one specifically? I didn't get your question, brother. Mm-mm. Focus, no cat talk. So there is small low void at 404 1 minute candle. I look every what did you say? Okay. Focus on chart. I have already read the price action long time before, brother. I have already done everything. So what can happen? I have all idea. If I'm right, if market really would love to go higher, you will see it. Okay. If I'm not absolutely wrong, I have already done everything. What is going to happen? How it is going to happen? Everything I have already draw on your mind. New subscriber here. I like your channel and clear explanation. Thank you, Lizel. Thank you so much, brother, and welcome to my channel. Yeah, I guess you are the last one who make my dream true. So 4770, a really great thank you, man. Thanks to all who have subscribed and make it a round figure. You have good model, 15-minute high time frame, a lower time frame execution. Thank you, brother. Market master to cat whispers. uh, he is my life. Okay, I love him. I really love him. Hello, hello, hello. Okay. Okay. It should break that travel gap very soon. It should do it immediately. Okay, something boom. It should go through this travel gap. Why it is just spending time over here? I don't like it. I wanna see that it will break that travel gap in a very energy, kind of lot of energy. It will use lot of energy to break that travel gap. That's all I want to see. I don't like this anti-travel gap reaction. No, you have to break that. There is no other option. You have to break it, man. Don't stop inside this travel gap. If it stop inside this travel gap, I'm gonna close my trade. Even if it hit my target profit, I'm not interested. It's not good. It's not good at all. Not good at all. I just close my trade. It's just you will miss him when you move to Portugal. Even if I went to Portugal, maybe I won't be there for more than for 3 to 4 months. I'll be back in Bangladesh again. No candle market left this thing, which is assured that market will go there. What's your view on that? 404. What do you have at 404? What do you mean by liquid void? I mean, I'm bullish. Market is going to take that buy sell liquidity, that buy sell liquidity. All I don't want to see is, I mean, after getting some subscriber, I don't want to take the pressure. That's why I just close my trade. But eventually, market is going to take that buy sell liquidity, that buy sell liquidity. Finally, this buy sell liquidity and this buy sell liquidity at the end. Not this week, maybe it won't be able to take that on. But today, this is going to be taken. This 18626 is going to be taken. Okay. So overall, it is going to take that buy sell liquidity right now. Then this buy sell liquidity right now. What else it can do? It can spend little more time here, or after taking this buy sell liquidity, it can spend little time here for 7 a.m. kill zone. Okay, by using the 7 a.m. kill zone, it can take that buy sell liquidity. But this buy sell liquidity has to be taken because this is the obvious buy sell liquidity. It has to be taken. We'll see. In what country do you live? I live in Bangladesh right now, brother. Did you sign up for TradingView competition? No, I didn't. Brother, why you remove your movie star post on Twitter? I just removed it, man. I was feeling shy, so I was thinking, oh man, I shouldn't post that. That's why. How are you, Shoid? Shoid, today they are going to give the top step. Top step. They are going to give the fire drill. Okay. So if I come on the New York session live, can you please keep an eye to the top step? So when they will give the fire drill, I will be able to take that code. If you just confirm me that, I'll be really happy. Okay, I'll be really happy and I'll be tensionless. That okay, maybe I'm gonna get that fire drill. But if you close your trade, Jilbert, just simply I just closed it, man. I just closed it. Nothing else. I mean, I just closed it because I need to go outside. I have to five drill. No, fire drill. Fire drill. That means not five drill. Actually, fire drill. One fire drill, I guess. 75% off. Hey, Pro Terapath, how are you, brother? No five drill. It's fire drill, man. Fire drill. F FIREDRILL. I'm just actually this fire drill, not pipe drill. How's fasting going? I'm just fasting, man. Everything's cool, man. There's a small pocket between 404 and 405 where no price cancel from. Okay, I guess you are talking about volume imbalance. No, volume imbalance is the lowest PDRA depend. I mean, comparing with anything else. Anything else, okay, for example any other PDRA, that is the lowest বারবার যদি এই জায়গায় শব্দ করো তাহলে তো অনেক সমস্যা হবে। So volume imbalance, I don't look like, I don't give more importance over there. Okay, yeah, fire drill. It was cool post, bro. Couldn't have removed it. Oh man, I just removed it, man. Is it today? Yeah, that is today. If you go to top step, you will see that they use that right. They actually write it down to their title. Okay. Today is the fire drill. So if anyone get that information, don't forget to let me know. If I am in live, let me know to my live. Okay. And pro trader path, brother, don't forget me. I mean, if it is just in front of you about the fire drill, don't let me. Don't forget to let me know that. Okay, brother. Pro trader path. Ramadan work, trade, sari, everything made my daily life reversed way. Sleep after Fajr, trade at New York session. So you are a non-New York trader, man. Seriously. Yeah. How was today, brother? How was today? I didn't push my button anywhere. So this is the first time I pushed my button. Anyone took this entry? Anyone who actually took that entry and is still holding it? Is there anyone? Let me know. And you have to be honest, okay? Not the paper money, with your real money. Anyone is there who pushed his button with his real money? Ramadan, okay. Sleep after okay. Yeah, man. I know. It reversed. Absolutely, it reversed. Okay, Glenn, you took that entry. Perfect. The stop loss has to be here now. The last fair value gap is working as a inverse fair value gap now. It should hold the price until that buy sell liquid. It should hold the price. Let's see if it can hold the price or not. How many handle is over there? 11 handle, not bad. From the London session, 11 handle is not bad. Let's see, is this last fair value gap is going to hold the price and send it back until that buy sell liquidity or not. If we are right, okay. I'm not telling that I'm right. I'm always wrong. So don't believe my analysis, okay. Brother, why you trading London when New York have good opportunity? How do you know that New York have the better opportunity? London, who knows how to trade the London? London is easier for them. Who knows how to trade London? I mean, sorry, New York AM session. That is good for them. Who knows how to trade the London PM? That is best for them. Okay, so every session is a better opportunity for those who actually practice those specific sessions. Now, I'm not a London guy, to be honest. Uh, Still, I can figure it out. Okay, not always. Most of the time, I can figure it out. Like from the beginning, when market was here, I told that market is going lower first. Exactly, I told where it will come. Exactly. Okay, if you don't believe me, go to my stream, watch that one. After coming here, I told that market, where market is now going. This high and that high, clean high. Market is going to take that clean high. Right now, I don't know. But if you ask me right now, market should take that buy sell liquidity. At least that buy sell liquidity should be taken. After taking that buy sell liquidity, market can stay here until the 7 a.m. kill zone. By using the 7 a.m. kill zone, market can take that buy sell liquidity. So I'm not 100% sure market is going to take that buy sell liquidity or not. But this one should be taken right now. Exactly right now it should be taken. So yeah, when I read the price from London session, sometimes I feel that really possible to trade London session. And where the people who lives in Australia, London session is the only session they can cope up, okay? Because New York session is kind of near about 3 a.m. at night or 4 a.m. at night, I guess, in Australia. If I am not wrong, if Pro Trader Path or Peter is here, make me correct if I'm wrong. Like New York AM session is kind of 2 to 3 a.m. in the morning. I mean, sorry, at the night in Australia, if I'm not wrong, okay? Okay, I'm the one, okay, still holding. That's cool, man. Mm, so Ahmed Mustafa, okay, I asked only them who took the entry with your real money, okay, not paper money. Still holding. Okay, Ahmed Mustafa, I took and closed. That's good. Rahman took it and holding. Perfect. Rahman 20 handle. Okay, congratulations. I was expecting the law of the day will be from London and New York will boom higher. You have my weekly analysis on the Twitter Monday and Wednesday were perfect. Yeah, Porter, but as the same way I already explained. Okay, this is going to be the law of this day. Okay, that was my expectation, and I just explained the same thing. What is going to happen today? I just explained that at the beginning. So this is the Wednesday. Wednesday closed here, okay, something here. This is the Thursday. Market will first take that low. This will be the London session. Then expansion toward the New York M session. This is going to be the lunch hour. The exact London session will be the lunch hour. Then New York PM session until this buy side liquidity 18,626. Then market will come back again into the range, close the day because tomorrow is the close. Market is closed tomorrow. So this is the last day of trading. So yeah, 2 a.m. Australia time is the New York AM start. Yeah, absolutely. So some of the people from Australia, they are really good with at London session because of time differences. Brother, do you trade cryptos? No, I don't trade, brother. I want to say 18,5 on 4.75. 18,5 on 4.75. Okay, Glenn, as I explained, brother, this level I don't know is going to taken here right now or market will wait until 7 a.m. Okay, I have no idea, but this buy side liquidity should be taken now before 7 a.m. It should be taken. I'm not sure market is going to take that on which you have actually explained 75 on 4.75 right now or not. Eventually it is going to take that on, that's for sure, but I'm not interested. Even if you are in the trade, your stop loss should be below that low now. Even if you get stopped out, you should close that below that low. Why? The reason is market has taken this side. Look at this side. It has been taken. Market has already taken an obvious high. Okay, so your stop loss has to be here because market can reverse now. Until that low, it can reverse. I mean, I'm not gonna tell you anything. Whoever took the entry, I have a very bad habit of trailing stop loss. I don't want to make build the same bad habit inside of you, brother. Okay, so it's your job. How do you manage your trade? It's your job. But that is my expectation. I just told you my expectation. Managing trade, I told you this is the high probability. That was the low probability. Exactly. Did you see the low probability and high probability? This is the differences between low probability and high probability. If you wait for this high probability, you will be able at least to this run. Okay. Even if you closed your entry from here to here, how many handle you got? 19 or 20 handle. In London session, 20 handle is huge. For me, 10 to 15 handle, I'm happy. Here you have already got 20 handle. Okay, but it is what it is. Winston Luke, boom. Thank you, brother. There is the membership. If anyone is interested to push that membership button, you can join to my member. You'll be appreciated. Okay. Winston Luke, boom. Thank you. 11 handle per day is very good. Absolutely. If you are happy with that, absolutely it is very good. All you need is just to be happy. Kaboom. I love it, man. Thank you. No problem, Glenn. But I didn't tell you, okay, to close your trade. I didn't tell you to hold your trade as you are trading with your live money. So it's your, you know, it's what to say. I mean, it's your choice. What you want to do, it's your choice. Do you want to close your trade here? It's your choice. Do you want to close your trade here? It's your choice. Do you want to put your stop loss here? It's your choice. Do you want whatever you want to do, it's your choice. Okay. This was the last parabolic gap below that high. So this last parabolic gap has done its job. If this parallel gap or this order block can hold the price, then market will go above that buy side liquidity. I really would love to see that. Market should not break that order block. See this order block, it should not break that order block. It should hold the price until that buy side liquidity. But if it is broken, that means market has another intention. It should spend more time for 7 a.m. kill zone. By using the 7 a.m. kill zone, it's gonna take that buy side liquidity, that one as well. Eventually, market is going to take both of them. And finally, that 18626 level. That's my expectation. Okay. Thank you. I'm new to future. Why market is closed tomorrow? Uh, Market is closed tomorrow because what is that? I forgot. I mean, there is a kind of holiday, something like that. I mean, it's market is actually open from Sunday to Friday, from Sunday 6 p.m. to Friday 5 p.m. Okay, this is the range. But why tomorrow is closed? There is a news. I mean, sorry, holiday or something like that. I don't remember. Easter. Yeah, that's the Easter. Yeah, Easter Friday. Sorry, sir. Thank you, Pro Trader. Easter Friday. Tomorrow is the Easter Friday. Good Friday. Absolutely. Thank you. That's why market is closed tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, Easter. Thank you, George. See, I'm a noob. I'm a noob, and still you guys are here. Stephen. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you, man. Brother, how long been trading futures? I have just started last week, brother. Campbell, I have just started last week to trade future market. Yes, I'm not influenced by anyone, just following my own setup. I love you, man. Winston Lake, look, I really love you, man. It's your choice, right? So you will take your entry, you will close your entry, you will manage your trade. It's all your job. Ahmed Mustafa, it's holiday. Many banks are closed. Oh, okay. Thank you, Joao. Oh, that's why. Thanks. No problem, Mustafa. See, my viewers knows 1,000 times better than me. It's Good Friday. Thank you, Easter. Yeah, okay, I got it. Thanks. You're most welcome. So, guys, what is this now? What is this now? What is this now? What is now? I see this. I don't know what do you see, but I see this now. I wanted to close my session around 6 a.m., but as I outlined that trade from the very beginning, remember here I told that first market will fall. When market will take that low, I will look for the buy. So when I just framed this trade from the beginning, I really wanted to see it will take that buy side liquidity. After taking that buy side liquidity, I'm gonna close my session, but it's gonna take little more time. That's why I'm still over here. Okay, I'm sorry to waste your time, guys. I'm really sorry for that. I really would love to wait until it hit my target. This order block should hold the price. If it can break, let me close this one. This mean threshold, if it can break that one, then you will have another opportunity to take buy. How? See this parallel gap, this is the last parallel gap, and here is the first parallel gap. There will be the first parallel gap. If it can break that pin threshold, then there will be another parallel gap, which is called the first parallel gap. There will be another last parallel gap. See, just look, last parallel gap, first parallel gap. You will frame another trade from your first parallel gap or entry parallel gap around 7 a.m. toward that buy side liquidity. You will frame another trade, so there will be another opportunity to take buy if this order block is broken and market can make a parallel gap around that area. Same thing you will look for over there. Same thing. What is that? Market will take the liquidity, market structure shift, parallel gap, immediate reaction, boom. If this thing is broken, then only then maybe you will be stopped out because your stop loss is over here. For example, okay. maybe your stop loss is over here. If it is broken, then you will be stopped out, most probably. If you got stopped out, you will frame another trade toward your buy side liquidity. How many buy side liquidity do you have? I have three buy side liquidity. I don't know how many you have, but I have now three. One, two, three. Market has to take them. Shallow run. Yeah, the shallow run is called the obvious liquidity. Okay, I call them obvious liquidity. Okay. Oh, what was that? I started last week too. What was that? I started last week too. I miss your comment, pro Terapath, brother. Brother, I'm having difficulties to pass 50k account with trading MNQ. Can you suggest me a good tips? Campbell, actually the thing is, brother, I don't trade micro because the price action is different, and I don't feel confident with the micro contract. Okay. Now for 50k passing the challenge, I guess that mini is okay, right? If you go with one contract, then I mean it all depends. Okay, passing the challenge is not everything. It's the theme is how do you read the price. If you don't know how to read the price, passing challenge is too easy. It's really so easy. But then keeping that account is the hard part. If you get the freedom, it's not the main thing. To keep that freedom is the main thing. If market close below that min threshold, then I will say this order block is broken. Until the min threshold is not broken, I'm gonna see this order block is holding the price. Okay, simple logic. You know all of that. All of that you know. Okay. Okay. Down. Okay. Down candle should hold price. Absolutely, brother. Weak rejection at this midnight open. I think that can happen, brother. No problem with that. I didn't look at that then see. But if it is a confirmation for you, go for that. Brother, just keep streaming, please. Since it's long weekend, would love to see how you trade at the 7 a.m. setup. Oh man, I need to go outside. I am not able to trade 7 a.m. because I have to go outside. I'm just waiting for a phone call. If I get that phone call, I will just close my stream and I'll just go outside. Okay, I'm not sure if I don't get that phone call before 7, I'll be here. Okay, if the phone call just come, I have to leave, man. And if it hit my buy side liquidity, still I'm gonna close my session as well. So I will just get ready and I'll be prepared for the phone call. But Shahid, if I could stay here, I would be really so happy. Really, man, I would be really so happy. So yeah, I hope you'll understand, brother. It should make a favorable gap here that will be unfilled. Okay, this is that unfilled area which I will use later for my breaker block. I'm not sure that market is going to make a favorable gap here or not. If it can make a favorable gap over there, then that should be unfilled. Yeah, that's called the obvious liquidity. Yeah, Ketan. It was when I started trading futures. Oh, okay. Yeah, bro, I just yesterday I started it last week, man. You know that. Yeah, I did 50k with minis. It's very easy to pass the 50k from mini, but it's really tough to hold that by. I mean, if you really don't know what you are doing, it's really difficult. Okay. So it has taken that obvious liquidity. I'm gonna remove it from my chart. Where is my next target? This buy side liquidity is my next target. Market should not close this favorable gap perfectly. It should not. If it close that, what does it mean? Is it going to fail? No, it's not going to fail. You should not close your trade. Like over here, if you see the min threshold is broken, then you should close your trade. But here, if it is broken, then you'll expect market is coming back to that order block one more time, and over there you will start to look for breaker block entry. Okay, something like that. So here, I took target profit. Don't like this price. Perfect, man. Hello, bye. How are you doing? I'm fine, man. Money, how are you, brother? The problem with most traders is they want to keep entering into the market. Once you tell yourself you will only take 2 entries each day, you will you will start selecting high quality setups and first challenge. Absolutely, brother. I am agree. I'm 100% agree with you, Winston Love. Okay, Campbell. Winston, can you help me? How did you do? Yeah, Winston, can you help him, brother? Okay, Campbell, you help him. Okay. Glenn, price many times trend stop near the liquidity pools, consolidating and then boom, Joe. Now I want that word from each of you. I love to get that one. Okay, I did a hard job, hard work. I and my hard work paid. Now you have to give me that word. You have to give me that word. As I told, I'm not 100% sure market is going to take that on right now or not. I'm not sure that. Okay, but it is going to be taken. I'm telling you that. But I deserve this word. Hello, I saw you live yesterday. You were better than. No. Don't compare me. I miss you. Please don't compare me with anyone else. Okay, I'm the worst one. I know nothing about the price action. So please don't compare me anyone because all of them are really so great. They are the best. I am the worst. I know nothing about the price action. Nothing at all. So I took the entry over here. I closed it over there. I didn't hold it. The reason is I didn't want to take the pressure. That's why I didn't. But this was the entry from the very beginning over here. Okay, perfect market structure shift, perfect entry. That was the obvious liquidity. I told that you can take your partial over there, or you can close your trade over there. If you want to trade hold until here, this is the very clean highs. Market will never keep that type of clean highs. Okay, this high and that high, they are exactly the same high. Market will never keep this type of same high, clean high. Never ever. You will never see this. Okay, so yeah, at last market is going to take that on, but I don't know exactly where it is going to happen. Maybe it is going to happen around 7 a.m. Go to your 15-minute chart, look for a fair value gap here. This is the last fair value gap, this is the entry fair value gap. If price can come back again to that fair value gap, exactly that fair value gap before 7, if it can come here, you will frame another setup toward your buy side liquidity. That's for the beginner. Okay, but if there is any pro over here, they will just see some kind of liquidity taken, market structure shift with huge displacement like this around 7 a.m. here. They will take the buy until that buy side liquidity. If the pro, this is for the pro, and for the beginner, there will be the first fair value gap and the last fair value gap. You will wait until price reach that first fair value gap. If it can reach over there, then if it can make a fair value gap market structure shift before taking that buy side liquidity, if it can do that, you will go for that setup. Is it clear, guys? Boom, boom. Thank you, Casey. Thank you, Lenny. Thank you, Michael, Pascal, Winston, Boombastic. FX, thank you, brother. Steven, thank you. Glenn, Blaine, Smile, boom. Thank you, brother. MK, okay, your name will be Mr. Boombastic from now. You deserve it. Thank you. MK, boom. Thank you. Levy, but you executed time in London lunch time out of kill zone. Is that problem? No, brother. I didn't do that. But you exit time in London lunch still of kill zone. Is it? No, I didn't. London, see, this is the 6 a.m. I push my button before 6 a.m. I didn't push my button after 6 a.m. London session is from 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. until 1st of April. Until 1st of April, the London session is from 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. After 1st of April, it will be from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Is it clear? I pushed my button when market was inside the London session. I outlined everything and even I told also that if it is outside of 6 a.m., I'm not gonna push my button. So the market structure shift and the fair value gap has to happen before 6 a.m. It happened before 6 a.m. I took my entry, okay? And yeah, that was the trade. But as I told, now if you judge me, if market take that buy side liquidity and you tell me, brother, you told that market is not going to take that buy side liquidity before 7 a.m. If you judge me like that way, I have nothing to do. Okay, because I cleared that. I am not sure market is going to take that buy side liquidity before 7 a.m. or not. If it take that on, obviously it can do that because market is going to take that on eventually. But if it doesn't take that on, that is another opportunity to take buy around 7 a.m. kill zone. That's all I told. Okay. So yeah, I hope that you will understand. Henry, boom, thank you, brother. Money, I'm good, bro. I've been following your stream since you have near about 2K subscribers, and I rarely ask questions, so you might not know me. I want to thank you for what you are doing for people. I really noticed that, didn't notice that, money. I mean, you were from that beginning. I really noticed. I didn't notice that. But thanks, man. Thanks for being with me from 2K subscribers to until 5K subscribers. Thank. Okay, I got my call. Just a second. I will be there. Okay, Ami asked. Sorry. Yeah, I got the call, so I have to close my session. I'll just repeatedly, I will try to read your comment, then I'm gonna close. Okay. Love you, bro. Not as always as we all love Messi. Okay, I don't like you, Julian. I hate you, Julian. I don't want to see you, Julian. I want to block you, Julian. I never don't want to talk to you, Julian. Okay. I love CR7. Boom, bro. Thank you, Shahid. MK, you are funny. Okay, Glenn. Okay, bro. Thank you. Let me tell you, I follow ICT for years since baby peeps. Only now, after watching some videos from you, all the dots connected. You gave me what I needed. Many, many thanks, Tito. No problem, Joao. If I can help any of you, that will be my success. I'm gonna do that for forever. I mean, whenever until the last day, I'm gonna do it freely. I will never ask for money. So that's for clearing. Okay, no private mentorship, nothing paid. Okay, everything will be free. I would love to give everything for free. If any of you get profitable or get profit from getting some information from me, or if you think you got helped by me, then don't think it's all for free. Okay, after you will earn 200K US dollar. 200K plus US dollar. You have to send me the plane ticket to visit your country, and every cost will be yours. Okay, I am not gonna expense not even one single dollar from my pocket. You have to bear every expenses. It can be 3 days, it can be 7 days, maximum 7 days. Okay, but you have to bear that for me. If you get 200K plus earning from the trading after joining my channel, and if you believe that you get helped by my teaching, only after that, that's my request to you, that you please send me the plane ticket to visit your country. I love traveling, so I'm not doing this for free. This is actually, you have to pay that. Okay, everybody hit like button now, he deserves that. Yeah, if anyone wants to hit the like button, I'll be really grateful to all of you guys. See you then in AM session. Have fun, bro. Thank you, Ketan. Good day, man. Thank you, man. Tito, I look the same trade from my own analysis, seeing the market like you slowly. Aha. Congratulations, Meet Patel. I want everyone should do that. That rage is the comproversion. You love Messi in the inside hell. You're never going to stop, right? Prepare to visit a lot of countries, man. Yeah, I'm preparing, man. Mentally, I'm preparing, man. To be honest, but I know everyone will forget me. But they will be responsible for that. Okay. If you get any help from me, and if you can earn 200K plus US dollar, you have to send me the plane ticket. You too, brother from another mother. Happy Thursday to you and all of you. Happy Thursday, brother. Till Titu, I'll invite you to Morocco, inshallah. Inshallah, brother. Any Muslim is invited to my house, especially one who makes me win 200K. Toxic Booba. That was a nice comment. I love this lower run. I really love it because I want to see around 7 a.m. It will make another opportunity to give me another entry toward that buy certificate. Okay, that's why I really love this lower run. Now that's the theme. Okay, in a longer picture, sometimes I told you when I am looking for buy, I don't care about the fall because I know this fall is going to take the liquidity. or maybe it is going to trade any kind of imbalance, whatever. Okay, if it can fill this unfilled area now, see this unfilled area, if it can fill that unfilled area now, I will look for a breaker block over there. I won't be here, I have to go outside. So yeah, that's all. In short, I just outlined the trading. Okay, so if you think you got help from me from today's session, don't forget to subscribe to my channel 79. Thank you guys, thanks for subscribing. Let's make it 800 today. Okay, so yeah, until the morning session, when you lay your head in the evening, you know you did something good for people. You have this skill to teach, given from God himself. You should know this. This is not a small thing. I'm trying my level best, MK, and thanks for that compliment, man. I'm from Australia. We'll send you ticket once I reach that target. Obviously, if you want to travel here, I would love to travel everywhere. Even if it is, you know, just an island, I will go over there. But the requirement is you have to earn 200 plus. Okay, 200K plus. So 200K, 200K plus $1. Then you have to send me the plane ticket. Okay, I'll be there with a happy mind. But before that, if you just give me the everything, I am not even interested to take not even a single dollar from you. Okay, not even a single dollar help from you. I only took help from ICT Pro Trader Path. It's because he's my childhood friend. Okay, that's why sometimes he bought the plan for me, because I'm in Bangladesh, I'm unable to buy it from Bangladeshi credit card. Sometimes ICT Pro Trader Path, he buy some plan for me, and some kind of help I take from him. Okay, that's true, because he is my childhood friend. That is the only reason. Before the trading, before everything, he is my friend. That's why still he is my friend. I told against him. Okay, I told against him that I don't care about his optimal trade entry. I don't believe in it, believe in that, and I proved that today. Ali Khan also same thing. What I told, Ali Khan also do that. But if you check his market maker X model, he's a real genius of market maker X model. Okay, he's really a genius about that. So I can recommend you, if anyone is interested to for his market maker X model, please go and watch his channel. His channel name is ICT, sorry, Pro Trader Path. I guess so. Shahid Salim knows that. He is in his channel maybe. So yeah, you can check that. Okay, can you check DXY? No, I need to go outside. I'm sorry, I can't, I am not able to read your comment anymore. I have to go. Okay, so see you